Come to PFTV, Spethu Zigalala, thoughts on the game.
Ngizoqala ngokubulisa abalandeli bonke beOrlando
Ivoice ihambe nini? Ihambe ma celebrate le 3 goals.
Ivoice ihambe ma celebrate le 3 goals awuthiyami. I had
bheka mangishaye elbow lapho ngizele.
Sorry awuthiyami yabona ukulimala kwakho bese sisho ukuthi sibuyile. Vele ukubuya sibuyile. I'm happy for the guys. Amajita performile aphushile ama opponent wethu laba umakhelwane bethu bebathi ngeke sishaye 3 goals. While sishayile for mina ngifuna ukuthi support ama player wethu siphushile blind ukubuya from 3-0 akusipha pen face uthiyami kunzima ukubuya from 3-0 siyile eCongo ngokuya ngami siwinile naseCongo dlala idraw we scored 3 goals bayiphikile i3 goals lesishayile kahambeni sabuya seza la ekhaya samanage ukuthi siphinde sishaye another 3 goals ukuthi sikwazi ukuya ema penalty
shaye 3 eCongo
yeah 3
ngibone wa
ay sishaye 3 le awuthiyami sishaye 3 bayiphikile yonke le 3 le sishaye 3 le
okay
yeah mawungayibheka kahle sishaye 3 le khona nelika nakhuza nelika Mbatha khona lapha uMbatha apolisi utiti sishaye 3 le 3 yonke bayiphikile because of ukuthi vele niyazi na last time masiya le DRC basenze same story. So ikhefu nayo kumele ifaka amehlo because every now and then masiya eDRC there will be this thing ukuthi ama game awa broadcast asiwaboni why because of ukuthi bafuna ukusiroba mabeza la ekhaya sibanika fair treatment why so but then is a mind game say footballs so like us mina ngokuya ngami siwine 6-3 when it goes to ama penalties is a win-win situation bafethu kusebenza inhlanhla ngeke sikhale ngokuthi awushayile akabambanga neliwano in kusebenza inhlanhla ema penalty inhlanhla esebenzile la
your man of the match
man of the match awuthiyami angazi if it's possible ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukunika 2 players man of the match
go for it
mina man of the match yami I can give it to Patrick Maswangai also Apolis 10-1 amapolice badlalile amajita bayilwile
did you miss urile namhlanje
too much imise kakhulu bengishoda ngalomjita engazi ukuthi uyayithwala idefense ahambe nayo afika athi vala show me your number adlule eceleni kwakho uyamphusha umnikeza ipenalty sishode ngaloyo muntu today okukuthi uzoyithwala idefender ibeke la emhloni yiyo nje into besishoda ngayo coach wethu uzamile ama finder wakhe ukuthi angadlalisi amalent ama strike adlale ngama full strikers which is isebenzele nakhona ukuthi bekafuna ukuthi bazo hold ibhola bangene eboxini babaphushe babanikeza ama penalty ureferee akasifavora ureferee ngibona ukuthi uze nabo bamthwele ngeskepe uze nabo mangabe beze ngeskepe mangabe beze ngeflight uze nabo lo referee
futhi uyafana
nabo akahlukanga awuthiyami thank you ngiyabonga awuthiyami
like Pagania
lapho Pagania thank you